Hey, what's up guys? Russ here at Axle Offroad. Today I want to review a TPMS Relearn Tool. Found this on Amazon at a great find. I'll put the link in the description as to where you can get it yourself. Looks like the tool here can work on a Ford as well as a GM pickup. And I'll put the years. Looks pretty simple. It's got one button here. Looks like you got your GM and then you got your Ford. So it doesn't come with a battery, so make sure you get a 9-volt battery for it when you purchase it. All right, there you have it. Directions say hold the button down. It'll select GM. Okay, so if you want to select Ford from the off position, you're going to hold the button down. And there you have it. Now Ford selected. In order to go back to GM, you just hold the button down again. And it'll go back to GM. So we're going to put this to the test on my 2016 GMC Sierra Duramax 2500 and see how well it works. All right, this is my 2016 GMC Sierra. First step you want to do is turn the vehicle on, not fully on to where it starts, but just to where the key's on. You're going to notice I already have my tire pressure sensor monitor up. So one of the things that happens whenever you get your tires rotated is if the shop doesn't use a relearn tool, your tire pressure sensors will actually show backwards on your display. So what this tool is going to allow us to do is relearn the front tires and the rear tires so that it's in the correct order. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the vehicle in learning mode. What you're going to do is you're going to hold down the check mark in the center of the steering wheel with the TPMS monitor pulled up on the screen. And then you'll get the alarm that says tire learning active. Starting with the left front, hit the button once till you hear a honk. Then you're going to do the right front, then the right rear, then the left rear. Each time you'll hear a honk confirming it's been complete. Alright, once you're complete, you can go back to your display and make sure all 4 sensors are working and the monitor shows good. Looks like the tool does a great job. I'll put the link in the description.